Hi lovies, it's Amara here. Welcome to my channel, Love Lloyd, where I'm creating everything that I love and I am loving everything that I create. And I hope you lovies come along with me for the journey because you're going to be getting skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, fashion, but most importantly, self-love.
Love yours.
Lovies, welcome back to my channel, Love Lloyd, and today I'm just going to be showing you how I created this faux fur pearled bunny case for my iPhone 8 Plus. And if you want to see how I got it, then keep on watching. So you're going to need cardboard, E6000 glue, some fabric, scissors, tape, a phone case, a ruler, and some foam. So I was lucky enough to, well, smart enough to keep my Christmas hat. So I just used that as my fabric, and that was 99 cents from the Dollar Tree. So I lucked out. Hello. And as you can see right here, I'm just using my seam ripper to detach the white part from the red part of the hat. After detaching the white part of the hat, I'm also going to detach the ball that's at the top of the hat, and that is what we're going to use for the bottom of the bunny. Next, I am taking my phone case and I am placing it on a cardboard. I'm using a sharpie to outline the phone case and also to outline the camera part of the phone. I was really supposed to use my foam for this, but I decided to use the cardboard, which was pretty hard. However, the next step after that is for you to draw the bunny ears. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine wasn't perfect. They probably were like one was a little bit wider than the other, but who cares? Who's really going to notice once you're done? So I'm just creating the lines, and as you can see, it's really simple. I'm going over with my Sharpie marker because I wanted it to have more of a curve to it instead of being so pointy. I believe one of the hardest parts about this project slash DIY was cutting everything out because it took some time, and that's why I should have used the pink foam that you saw in the beginning of the video, but I thought the cardboard would be easier, and guess what, ladies, I thought wrong. So never second guess yourself and always go with what your mind says. Next time, if I have maybe like an eyebrow razor or just a regular razor, that's what I will use to cut everything out because cutting it out with the scissors was pretty difficult. Then I used my seam ripper to just punch little tiny holes around the perimeter of the camera part so that it would be easier for me to punch through, almost like a hole puncher. So in the beginning, you saw that I had the E6000 glue. However, E6000 glue takes some time to dry, so I decided to just use my glue gun, which dries immediately, like in seconds. So that is what I used. And then I used my tape to just tape down the cardboard to the back of the phone case just to secure it, make sure that everything is in place. I didn't think about the cardboard showing through the clear back of the phone. Next time I'll get like a solid phone case so it won't show through. But as you just saw, I placed the phone case with the bunny ears on top of this white part of the fabric, and then I also traced out the camera part and the flash part, and I cut it out, and now I'm about to hot glue it to the fabric. This DIY was pretty simple. It did take some time. I'm happy that it took some time because now, when I decide to do it again, it's going to be so much easier and so much faster because I already tried it, so I know what to do. So here, as you can see, I'm just placing the glue around the perimeters of the phone case, and I'm also just pressing it down, making sure that everything is adhered to the side of the phone case. Later on, I felt like I needed a little bit more fabric on the sides, so it probably would have been a better idea for me to use the red part, but I didn't think that it would be as cute. But yeah, it is what it is. You live and you learn. So as you can see, I'm gluing the back of the bunny ears to the fabric, and then I'm going to glue the top of the bunny ears to the fabric as well. I was a little confused to how I was going to get this to stay, but flipping it over turned out to be the best idea for me. However, like I told you guys earlier, the cutting part was like the hardest part for me. So next time I'll use a razor or something. I'm really not a fan of the inside of the phone showing, but the phone case showing, but when the phone is there, you can't see anything. My next step, I took these pearls. I had these pearls for some years. They were it's costume jewelry. I got it from the beauty supply store. Paid probably like $2.99 for them, and I decided that I was going to use that to jazz up the phone case because it was kind of looking a hot mess until I put the pearls on it. And ladies, I want to say if you're going to try this DIY out, just make sure that with the hot glue gun you use clear glue. My glue was kind of yellowish, so I mean, you can't really tell, but I could tell looking at the phone case that it looked a bit yellow. So I was just trying to make sure that I placed all the pearls on the phone everywhere that I could possibly place it. So that's what I was doing, just playing around with it. And yeah, this is pretty much the last part of it. I'm happy with how it turned out, and I hope you guys are happy with how it turned out as well. And if you like this video, don't forget to rate, comment, like, and subscribe.